what happens to us, this is frustrating. So if any of you are watching this video and you've done this, please hear me on this, okay? As being in the organizing and productivity industry, we see other professional organizers and people posting and sharing quotes from Barbara, especially this one. But somewhere along the line, people have added additional words to Barbara's quote. They've added what we call clutter, word clutter, to her quote. Okay, so let me explain. The quote is, you see it on the screen, clutter is postponed decisions. We see it posted many, many times where people have added clutter is merely postponed decisions. Clutter is only. Clutter is just. We saw one yesterday. Clutter is nothing more than postponed decisions. That's not what she said. And why is that important? Those words can make the person that's dealing with clutter feel really bad about themselves, because if it's only, if it's merely, if it's just, if it's nothing more than, then something must be wrong with me. And that's not the case. And that's not what Barbara said. So hear me, please. Clutter is, it just is postponed decisions. And it's not necessarily an easy thing to deal with. And sometimes you need help. You need help with making decisions, and literally sometimes just having a partner, a friend, a colleague, a coach, somebody that's going to help facilitate. They're not going to make the decisions for you, but they can sit with you and help guide you and help just be there while you make the decisions. And that goes with any kind of clutter, home, household, whatever. Does that make sense, Stephanie? I don't know. Have you ever seen that quote out there like that anywhere?
I've heard about it floating around out there from other people. I know other people actually brought it to Barbara's attention, but I haven't myself seen it. But it doesn't surprise me. And it's unfortunate. And I'm glad that you brought up the fact that it's minimizing your problem that actually has multiple layers. Like you said, like sometimes it helps to have someone sit there and walk you through it with you to help guide some decision making without taking away your power to make the decision.
Yeah.